How to track my Green Dot card delivery. If you have ordered a Green Dot card and want to track its delivery, you can follow some steps. Look for an order confirmation email or message from Green Dot. This confirmation often contains details about your order, including any tracking information. With your Green Dot account, look for an option related to order status or card delivery. If you are unable to find tracking information in your account, you can contact with Green Dot customer support. They should be able to provide you with details about the status of card delivery. Hope you can track your Green Dot card delivery. Thanks for watching the video.